Have you ever wondered, with all the personal information floating around online, how companies like Borrowell can genuinely help you protect yourself from the ever-present threat of fraud? It's a question that keeps many of us up at night. In an age where data breaches are unfortunately common and identity theft feels like a constant shadow, understanding the safeguards in place is no longer just a good idea, it's a necessity. So, how exactly does a platform like Borrowell step up to this challenge? What mechanisms do they employ to safeguard your financial well-being and act as a crucial line of defense against fraud? It's far more comprehensive than simply showing you your credit score. It involves a multi-layered approach, combining cutting-edge technology with proactive monitoring and empowering educational resources. Let's dive into the core ways Borrowell helps to protect you against fraud, starting with arguably their most powerful tool, credit monitoring and alerts. At its heart, Borrowell provides free weekly access to your Equifax credit score and report. This isn't just a static snapshot, it's a dynamic view of your credit health. But the real power in terms of fraud protection comes from their sophisticated monitoring system. They don't just show you your score, they actively monitor your credit file for significant changes and send you alerts. Think about it. If a new credit account is opened in your name, or a hard inquiry is made on your credit report, both red flags for potential identity theft, Borrowell will notify you. This immediate alert is crucial. It gives you the power to identify suspicious activity as it happens, rather than discovering it months down the line when the damage is already done. Imagine Sarah receiving that alert about the unauthorized credit card application within hours, instead of finding out when the first bill arrives. This early detection is a game changer. These alerts cover a range of activities, including new accounts being opened, changes in your credit utilization, or even late payments being reported, which could indicate that a fraudster has taken over an existing account. By providing these timely notifications, Borrowell transforms you from a passive victim into an active participant in your financial defense. You become the first line of defense, empowered by timely information. Beyond just alerts, Borrowell's credit report access is another vital component. It's one thing to get an alert, but it's another to be able to immediately delve into the details. With Borrowell, you can access your full Equifax credit report for free. This report provides a comprehensive breakdown of your credit history, including all your accounts, payment history, and inquiries. Why is this so important for fraud protection? Because it allows you to scrutinize every entry for discrepancies. Did a loan appear that you never applied for? Is there an address listed that you don't recognize? Are there inquiries from lenders you've never interacted with? These are all telltale signs of potential fraud. Having direct and easy access to this detailed information empowers you to spot these anomalies and take immediate action. You can identify the fraudulent entry, gather the necessary evidence, and report it to the credit bureau and relevant authorities. Now, let's talk about the technology and security measures that underpin Borrowell's services. It's one thing to offer monitoring, but how do they ensure your highly sensitive financial data is safe with them? Borrowell understands the paramount importance of data security, and they employ robust measures. They utilize bank-level 256-bit AES encryption, which is the same level of encryption used by major financial institutions to protect sensitive data. This means that when your information is transmitted and stored, it's scrambled and virtually impenetrable to unauthorized access. Think of it like a highly secure vault for your financial details. Furthermore, Borrowell is committed to a need-to-know access policy. This means that only authorized employees and service providers who absolutely require access to your personal information to fulfill their job requirements are granted it. This minimizes internal risks and ensures that your data isn't exposed unnecessarily. They also leverage automated decision-making systems for identity verification and fraud detection. This isn't about replacing human oversight, but rather augmenting it with powerful AI and machine learning algorithms that can rapidly analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns indicative of fraudulent activity. These systems can spot unusual login attempts, suspicious application patterns, or inconsistencies in your data that a human might miss, providing another layer of proactive defense. Another key aspect of Borrowell's fraud prevention strategy lies in their identity verification processes. When you sign up for Borrowell, they don't just take your word for it. They implement rigorous identity verification procedures, often in collaboration with third-party service providers like Equifax. This can involve comparing the information you provide with data from other sources, such as credit reporting agencies or telecommunications providers, to confirm your identity. In some cases, they may even use advanced methods like photo ID verification and selfie comparisons to ensure that the person signing up is indeed who they claim to be. While alternative verification methods are available, these measures are crucial in preventing fraudsters from creating accounts in your name in the first place. By making it harder for criminals to impersonate you, Borrowell significantly reduces the risk of initial fraudulent access. Beyond the technological safeguards, Borrowell also plays a vital role in empowering users with education and awareness. Fraud protection isn't solely about sophisticated algorithms, it's also about informed consumers. Borrowell provides a wealth of free resources, articles, and tips designed to educate you about credit, identity theft, and common fraud tactics. Their credit coach, for example, offers personalized insights into what impacts your credit score and provides actionable steps for improvement. This might seem indirectly related to fraud, but understanding the factors that influence your credit allows you to recognize when something is amiss. If your score suddenly drops due to an unexpected account, your knowledge empowers you to investigate. Furthermore, Borrowell adheres to strict privacy policies and data retention protocols. They are transparent about how they collect, use, store, and retain your information, adhering to legal and regulatory requirements. Their privacy policy clearly outlines their practices, including data retention periods, which are often necessary for legal and anti-money laundering purposes, and in case fraudulent activity needs to be investigated later. They also provide avenues for you to control your personal information, including the ability to withdraw consent for certain data uses, subject to legal and contractual restrictions. So, the next time you access your Borrowell account, remember that you're not just checking a number. You're engaging with a sophisticated system designed to be your ally in the fight against fraud. You're leveraging technology and expertise that constantly works to keep your financial information safe and empower you to take control of your financial destiny. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.